Hello everyone and welcome to another practice with me. Welcome to our Equilibrium Casa, and it's a pleasure to guide you in one more deep practice. Today we're gonna flow, we're gonna breathe, we're gonna activate our power. So we're gonna work our core, our glutes, our legs, everything. So if you're ready, come with me, roll your mat and let's begin. So let's start in your hands and knees position. Your wrists and your shoulders are aligned. Activating your core and just take a deep breath here. In your next inhale, you're gonna arch your back, looking up. Exhale, arch, look into your belly. So on your next inhale, let's do some cat-cows. Just activate our core, our body, and to feel connected in this present moment. So inhale, look up. Exhale, arch your back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, out. One more time. Inhale, look up. Press your hands to the floor. Exhale, arch your back. And come to the neutral position. We're gonna start it on your plank. So get ready. Here we're gonna hold, just activate it a bit more, our core, our body, our entire body. Keep breathing. Don't arch your back. Don't arch like this. Stay straight with your body, strong core, strong abdomen. Inhale and exhale. On your next exhale, lift your quads, coming to downward facing dog. This is our first downward facing dog, so go slowly, pedal your legs, move, breathe. You can move your chest side to side, look under your arms, feel in this moment. And when you're ready, try to touch your ankles to the floor and stay. Inhale and exhale. Let's do another 2 deep breaths in and out in this position before we start moving. So inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. On your next inhale, let's go back to plank. And let's start with your knees taps. So tap one knee to the floor, come back, another knee, come back. Let's do 10 times. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's do a combo. So we tap the knee, come back to downward facing dog. Back to plank, tap the other knee, back to downward facing dog. Let's do 8 more. Take your pace. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to plank, hold. And take your chaturanga to the floor. Inhale, look up, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Great, so let's keep moving, keep breathing. Give your body the energy. And let's come back to plank. Now we're gonna tap the 2 knees, so tap, back, tap, and back. Just this, so 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's add the combo. So you tap the knee, back to down facing dog. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now just have the knees a few inches to the floor. Hold this bear position. Breathe, activate your core. Hold, hold, hold. Exhale. Come to child's pose. Reconnect with your breath. Relax your body and breathe.